Welcome to Linux Help tutorial. In this session, we are going to see about how to install and configure Alfresco Community Edition on RAL CentOS and Debian system with Nginx server as a front-end web server for the application. Alfresco is an open-source ECM system written in Java which provides electronic management, collaboration, and business control. For installing Alfresco Community Edition, before that you need to have a fully qualified domain name. Now I'm going to show you my fully qualified domain name. For that, host name space -f. Here you can able to see the fully qualified domain name for my system. Now you have to remove any of the MTA from your machine. In the case of the postfix mail server also, by using this following command. For that, yum remove postfix and press enter. Now the postfix package has been get removed from my system. Now download the Alfresco Community Edition by using wget command. Wget and paste the link to download the Alfresco Community Edition and press enter. Now it has started downloading. Now the downloading process of the Alfresco Community Edition has been get completed. Now you have to give the executable permission to that file. For that, chmod +x space the name of the file and press enter. Now the executable permission has been given to that file. Now you have to execute that file. For that, // and the name of the file and press enter. Here you will be getting a graphical window. Now you have to choose the language. I'm going to choose English and click OK. Now the welcome page has been get arrived. Click forward to move to the next step. Click on advanced configuration and click forward. You have to check in Java, PostgreSQL, LibreOffice, SOLR4 and Alfresco Office Services and Web Quick Start and Google Docs integration and click on forward. You have to select a folder, otherwise you can choose the default folder. Now I'm going to choose the default folder, so click on forward. Here you can able to see the port number of your database and click forward. Here you have to set your web server IP and press forward. Here it is LibreOffice server port and press forward. This is the port number for integrated Alfresco FTP server and press forward. Here you have to set the admin password for Alfresco administrator account and repeat the password again and press forward. It is asking for installing Alfresco community as a service. I'm going to give yes and click forward. Now the setup is ready to begin installation. For that, click forward. Now the installation process has been get started. Now the installation process for Alfresco community has been get completed. Uncheck in view readme file and click finish. The installation process of the Alfresco community has been get completed and the Tomcat server has been get started. Now you have to add the port numbers to the firewall. For that, firewall -cmd space -permanent -add -port. Here you need to mention the port number. First I'm going to mention the 8080 port number /TCP and press enter. Now the 8080 port has been get added to the firewall. Now I'm going to add the 8443 port. For that, here I need to make the changes as 8443 and press enter. Now the 8443 port has been added to the firewall. After that, you reload the firewall. For that, command is firewall -cmd space -reload. Now the firewall has been get reloaded successfully. In case if you need to add other firewall rules to open ports in order to access custom Alfresco services, issue the ss command to get a list of all services running on your machine. For that, ss space hyphen tuipn. Here you can able to see the list of services that are running. To access the Alfresco web service, for that I need to open the web browser. I have opened my web browser. Here you need to type the IP address along with the 8080 port. For that, http the IP address the port number 8080 slash share directory and press enter. Now the Alfresco login page has been get opened. Here you need to give the username as admin, and here you need to type the password and give login. Here it has been get successfully logged in into the Alfresco community. Here you can able to see the administrator dashboard. To see the Alfresco documentation, for that, http the IP address the port number slash Alfresco and press enter. Here you can able to see the documentation of the Alfresco. For Alfresco web dev directory listing, for that, http IP address the port number slash Alfresco slash webdev and press enter. It will be asking for authentication purpose. Here you need to give the username and type the password and give OK. Now the Alfresco webdev directory listing has been get opened. For HTTPS security exception, HTTPS / and here you need to give the IP address the HTTPS port number is 8443 slash share and press enter. Here you have to give I understood the risk, add exception and confirm security exception. Now the Alfresco community login has been get opened by using HTTPS port. You have to give the username and password. It has been get successfully logged in and the administrator dashboard has been get opened. Now I am going to configure the Nginx as front-end web server for Alfresco. For that, first you need to enable the EPL repository. Yum install EPL-release space -y. The EPL repository has been get installed in my system successfully. Now install the Nginx package. For that, command is yum install Nginx. The Nginx package has been get installed in my system successfully. Now I am going to configure the Nginx. For that, you need to open the Nginx configuration file. For that, vim etc nginx.conf. Now the configuration file has been get opened. Inside that, you need to add some lines, location, space slash space open bracket enter, and you have to type these lines. After that, closing bracket, you have to command these two lines and save the file. You need to restart the Nginx service to make reflect the changes that are made in the Nginx configuration file. For that, systemctl restart nginx.service and press enter. Now the service has been successfully get restarted. Now you have to add the HTTP port to the firewall. For that, firewall -cmd -permanent -add service HTTP. Now the service has been get added. Now you need to reload the firewall. For that, firewall -cmd -reload. So the firewall has been get reloaded. Now you have to set the SE-Linux policy to disable. For that, set enforce. Now the SE-Linux policy has been get disabled. You have to go to the web browser to access Alfresco through Nginx. For that, you need to open the web browser. Now I'm going to access the Alfresco through Nginx. For that, http :/IP address. This time you should not give the port number. Share. Now you can able to see I can able to access Alfresco community without the port number through Nginx. I need to log in now. Now it has been get successfully logged in. Now I am going to open the Alfresco document page. For that, http the IP address slash Alfresco and press enter. Now the Alfresco document page has been get opened here. In case if you want to securely visit Alfresco web interface through Nginx proxy with SSL, create a self-signed certificate for Nginx on the directory on etc nginx SSL directory. For that, first I need to create a directory mkdir slash etc slash nginx slash ssl. Now the directory has been get created. Now I'm going to move inside that directory. For that, cd slash etc slash nginx slash ssl and press enter. Now I have moved into that directory. Now I'm going to create the self-signed certificate for Nginx. For that, open SSL space req space -x 509 space -notes space -days space 365 space -new key space RSA colon 2048 space key out space alfresco dot key space out space alfresco crt and press enter enter, and here you need to give your host name and press enter. Now the key has been get created. I'm going to show you. For that, ls. Here the key has been created and the crt file also has been get created. Now I need to make the changes in the Nginx configuration file. For that, I need to open the configuration file vim etc nginx.conf and press enter. Inside the file, below the error page, you have to add these lines, and after that save the file. Now restart the Nginx service. Systemctl restart nginx.service and press enter. The service has been get restarted. Now you need to add the HTTPS service to the firewall. For that, firewall cmd space hyphen hyphen permanent hyphen hyphen add hyphen service equal to https. Now the https has been added to the firewall. Now you need to reload the firewall. For that, firewall cmd space hyphen hyphen reload. Now the firewall service has been get reloaded. Now you need to open the web browser to access the https protocol Alfresco by Nginx as a frontend. In the web browser, type https colon double slash and the IP address slash share. Here you have to give I understood the risk and add exception and confirm security exception. The login page has been get opened and give password and press enter. It has been get logged in successfully securely to Alfresco web interface through Nginx proxy with SSL. Run the Alfresco system-wide. Run the below command. For that, systemctl enable Nginx space Alfresco and press enter. Now it has been get enabled. Thanks for watching.